Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be making some Jamaican chicken back and ackee. Yes, sir. That's one of my favorite dishes growing up, and even today as an adult, it's still my favorite. So we're gonna start off with our chicken pieces, season with our all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, some allspice, chicken seasoning, seasoned to the bone Jamaican seasoning, and some of the green seasoning. Link is in the top right hand corner for the green seasoning. We're going to rub that seasoning all into the chicken, set aside to marinate. We're going to cut up our peppers, our onion, tomato, some green onion or scallion, a little piece of scotch bonnet. Then we're going to grab a pot, put some coconut oil in there, and mix the coconut oil with some regular oil. And then we're going to fry our chicken pieces crispy. So fry them crispy and nice. Get some nice color on them on both sides. Now, chicken back is one of my favorite things to eat. I don't know about you, but that's just me. Love the chicken back. I also added some thigh meat to it as well. I just cut the thigh meat into 4. So it's some nice 2-inch pieces. I didn't have enough chicken back. I just bulk it up with that. So once you get the chicken all nice and fried and crispy,